He's been wonderful. He's been wonderful. Let's take the book of Luke chapter 11, verse 28. What does it say, sir?
Matthew 11:28. Come unto me, all ye that labor and are heavy laden.
Come unto me, all ye that labor and are heavy laden,
and I will give you rest.
I'll give you rest. How do I describe this beautiful line? As many times as I've been sick and they have flown me out of this country to Europe, to America for healing, you know, I have slept all the way. last year, they said I had only 1 hour to live. I told the doctor I'll slap him twice. He will not remember the mother's name. And he began to cry. Daddy, my sister, you die and live us so that, hey, doc, can you shut up your mouth? Everybody cannot die like an ordinary person. And as many of you as I have embraced this Christ, I want to declare now, you will not die like an ordinary person. Let nobody decide for you. You decide it. You remember the man that angel, prophet were told to tell him he should organize his life and organize his house. Hezekiah, that he will soon die. You know he refused to die. You will not die without your consent. I don't care what doctors say. This is why I took interest in building hospitals to get to know more of what they're doing. They flew me from Nigeria to London, and I slept like a baby boy. Woke up, asked them, where are we? They said, we're in London. What for? They said, we want to meet the medical doctors here. Your case is bad case. And the man who was speaking was my brother-in-law, and he's a medical doctor of 50 years experience. When I asked him to shut up his mouth, people like me cannot die like ordinary men. He began to cry. Doctors were brought, they examined me, and they said, we saw no sickness in your body.